right, so as the calendar turns from summer to fall, we begin to see that many of the cultivated varieties of fruits and vegetables and trees and flowers that we have in our gardens are beginning to set seed, much of which is of interest to us or habitat for birds or mammals or something like that around us. We see the same thing in straight species, in the native species that we tend to see in road ditches or in parks or in natural resources districts. So if you're looking to get some of those straight species into your yard, growing them, collecting them, germinating them, and growing them in your basement during the winter or starting next spring in the greenhouse or in a cold frame is a way for you to do that. So how do we collect seeds? First of all, let's start with what we should be doing first. First of all, you need to be asking permission. In most public lands, state parks, natural resource district areas, wildlife management areas, you need to get permission. You just can't take them. Second of all, how do you collect? It's pretty easy. You collect pieces in a bag. I usually collect a lot of pieces in a pill bottle. You want to collect them when they're dry. Make sure they're dry. So you probably want to leave the bag open for a bit to make sure there's no moisture in the bag or in the bottle. You'll probably want to put them in the refrigerator till they're cool and dry. And then finally, what do you do with them? So for information on about how to start those seeds or how to treat those seeds, lots of resources, internet resources, contact your extension agent, contact someone at the garden center, call me at Great Plains Nursery. It's something that we're interested in and something we like to do and something we want to help you with.